What up, Winbush here. And if you're inside of Unreal Engine 5 and you have a mesh like so, and maybe let's say you want to make like a cave, or you just want to put a hole inside of this mesh here. Now it's really easy to do. All you have to do is make sure you come up here first to where we have edit, come down here to plugins, and then I'm just going to search for model. And then I'm going to scroll down here to where it says modeling tools editor mode. It's still in beta, but this is going to work perfectly fine. I'm just going to click this on to activate it. This message is going to pop up telling you it's in beta, but again, it's fine. Click on yes. And then down here in the lower right hand corner, it's going to say restart now. So we're just going to wait for it to restart now. And once it does, it's really easy to get set up. Now we have Unreal Engine restarted. And if I come up here to the top left hand corner, right here where it says selection mode, I'm going to left click on this. I'm going to come down here to modeling, but the one we want to come down to is this mode right here. This is shape modeling. So I'm going to click on this, and you'll see right here it says Boolean. Now if I select this, you will see that it's still grayed out, and that's because we have to have an object in order to cut out this mesh. So I'm just going to come over here, and I'm just going to come down here to shapes, and I'm going to click on cylinder. I'm just going to take this cylinder and put it right here, maybe so we can make like a tunnel or something like that. I'm just going to rotate this 90 degrees, make it a little bit larger, maybe around 3, somewhere around there. And so now you see we have our cylinder intersecting our mesh right here. So I want to make sure that I select this first, and then I'm going to select the cylinder. If I'm over here in my outliner, I'm holding down the control and I'm going to select it, or you could do it inside the viewport, whatever you prefer. But now that I have both of these selected, you see that now we have this highlighted right here for Boolean. So if I click on this, now it's going to pop up with this new attributes window, and you can see right here under operation, it says the difference between A minus B. Now you notice I selected my big mesh first, and then I selected the cylinder. So the big mesh would be A because I selected that first, and then the cylinder will be B. If I click down here, you see we have some other options as well. So you could do a difference between B minus A, intersection, and union. But I'm just going to leave everything at default as is. And let's say that you're happy with how your outcome is right here. You just come down here to the bottom and hit accept. And after a moment or two, you can come over here to your outliner, and you'll see it's just going to be called Boolean, but now we have a mesh with a hole in it. So hopefully this tip helped you guys out. I know using like Cinema 4D and Blender, they have the Boolean tools in there. So I'm happy to see that now we have it inside of Unreal Engine. If this tip helped you guys out, make sure you leave me a comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. And until next time, stay fresh, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'll see you soon. Take care.